guys, here's Gabriella on Team Girls. And if you haven't yet subscribed, like this video, put the notification on, then you can. And if you feel down, then remember to dab on those haters. And if you feel happy, then remember to smile so all of the world can see you. And I'm going to be, I'm going to be supporting Jake, Paul and his Team 10 for this video because I love them. But I'm going to be supporting dogs too because we're going to be playing. Maybe you can't decide on which dog you like. Well, I have 5 dogs you can have that are teacup that grow really, okay. And that look cute. So, number 1, a Maltese teacup, KC. Well, you could have a KC Maltese, or you could have a Maltese, like a normal Maltese, or you could have a mixed breed Maltese. But I would say the KC Maltese because definitely the dog is normal. Nothing actually will happen to it most of the life. And it's just a wonderful pet. It looks cute, it's white, and I'm going to be showing you a video of it. Okay. So I needed to change my place because my camera needs to charge, and there's the charger. So the number 2 dog, well, you should have already seen the Maltese somewhere on the screen before. Your mug. Sorry guys. Oh, how did it break? Ow, 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 it's a bit. Ow, no. A little bit like over here. Not a lot. Okay. So number 2 dog is the Sushi puppy because they look so cute and they are really fun to play around. Kind of like my sister. She's a little bit big. Then the Sushi puppies. So on the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're going to be seeing the puppy. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, no. You bumped your head. So this is my new doggy.
That is so fascinating. Look at the dog. Well, number 3 is much more furry, but it still is cute, fluffy, and good to play with. It's a golden doodle. And this puppy is really cute. So this puppy will be on the screen in 5 seconds. So let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ta-da! They are so cute. And if if you are thinking where I got all of these videos and pictures, well, I got that from internet. Well, I basically put it on the screen, like, put it on the screen. Ta-da. Well, that was so cute. But I wouldn't prefer that one that much. But it's your answer. It's your decision. My decision is all about heaven and Bam Bam. I'm not the person to tell you which one you need, but it's your decision. Well, number 4 is really cute. It's a pug, and loads of people have pugs because they're cute, fluffy, and they're not so expensive, but you need more things for it, like the butter for their nose, the cream for their wrinkles, and things like that. So, sorry. So in 2 seconds, they'll be on the screen. 1, 2. Pause. That was the pug, and for the last one, I'm going to be announcing something. So I'm supporting a load of people in this video. Jake Paul, Team 10. Well, they're both the same, and Coca-Cola. So let's. This is my tablet. You haven't seen it in this video. You haven't actually seen it, never. So I'm going to be showing you the ad.
Discover Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. Great Coke taste with zero sugar.
This video is all about you. You've got your back to the audience. That's not helpful. Getting a puppy, which is something that I know a little bit about, considering I have one of my own. Even though she's almost 2, I wanted to make...
Yeah. And the 5th one is just just your choice. But the name is in American something. Wait. It's an American Bulldog. But I would never have an American Bulldog, but just have one.
The American Bulldog is a breed of working dog. It is a stocky, well-built, strong-looking dog with a large head and a muscular build. The names associated with the bully and standard type of American Bulldog are those of the breeders who were influential
This
in
one
developing
actually on YouTube, I
John
found,
D.
but the
Johnson
other one just
developed the
put it on
bullier
the screen.
type and Alan Scott the standard type. The American Bulldog.
Well, if you want to see more of these videos, then remember to like this video, and remember to dab on those haters. Remember to smile if you're happy, and see you next time. Bye.